Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician, and what he and his followers discovered was different things that we still use today. The first thing that he and his group discovered was calling numbers odd and even. So, of course, you know that an even number is a group where you can divide it into two groups, and an odd number is where you cannot divide something so that it matches up evenly into groups of two. The second kind of number that they just talked about were square numbers. And square numbers are, the perfect square numbers are 1, 4, 9, and 16. And that's because those numbers have twin factors, which are whole numbers. So 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, and 4 times 4. They didn't stop just with grouping numbers as square. They went on and they talked about triangular numbers. And what triangular numbers are numbers that can be arranged into triangles. So the first triangular number is 1. Second triangular number is 3. Because if I take 3 dots and I set them up like this, I get 3. If I add another row, the next triangular number is 6. And then the next triangular number is 10. So the triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, and 10. And if you look at these numbers, you can see that they're increasing by a steady amount. The next kind of number that he and his group talked about were these oblong numbers. And so what oblong numbers are numbers that can be made in a rectangular array where there is one more column than row. So the oblong numbers are here. Where are they? So 12 is an oblong number because it's got a row of 4 and 3. So we've got 4 columns with 3 rows. And then the next oblong number would be 5 and 4 or 20. And then the one preceding the 4 would be 3 and 2 or 6. So they looked at numbers and ways to group them according to the shapes that they made.